Start. The contention of the respondent before the learned single judge was that the disciplinary authority acted in violation of Regulation 6(3) of the Union Bank of India Officer Employees Discipline and Appeal Regulations 1976, hereinafter referred to as regulations, inasmuch as it did not afford an opportunity to file written statement of defense in response to the charge sheet dated 13th October 1999. Another contention was that the charge sheet contained serious allegations such as doing acts unbecoming of a bank officer, failure to take steps to protect the interest of the bank, failure to discharge his duties with honesty, integrity, devotion, and diligence, etc., which were not a part of the show cause notice dated 28th September 1998. The respondents in the writ petition, on the other hand, defended the writ petition by contending that the scope of judicial review in departmental proceedings was very limited and no interference could be made in the order of the disciplinary authority, and nor could the report reappreciate the findings in the inquiry report. It was also contended that a bank employee stood on a different footing and loss of confidence was a sufficient ground to dismiss the employee. The bank also argued that due to the acts of the respondent in making unauthorized advances which were not sanctioned and on account of various other financial irregularities, the petitioner herein had exposed the bank to a bad loan of huge amount of rupees 1.7 crores. Defending the contention of the petitioner that he was not permitted to file a written statement of defense to the charge sheet, the bank had argued that the petitioner had filed a reply to show cause notice, and thus there was no requirement for filing a separate written statement of defense. The learned single judge while the impugned order has quashed the disciplinary proceedings and the penalty imposed on the ground that the requirement under Regulation 6 subsection 3 of filing a written statement of defense is a mandatory provision, and the test of prejudice would thus not apply. It has been held that the statement of defense ought to have been permitted, and only after considering the same the order of appointment of an inquiry officer should have been passed. Insofar as the relief is concerned, the learned single judge has noted that the petitioner therein had retired and the charges are related to the year 1997, and thus neither reinstatement could be ordered nor a fresh inquiry. Accordingly, the learned single judge has allowed the writ petition by granting 50% of the salary and allowances from the date of dismissal till the date when the petitioner would have superannuated. Consequential benefits of retirement have also been granted. So thanks guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel.